Hi, this is Srinivas Chari. I'm a business development consultant and I'm associated with a startup pharmaceutical company working in active pharmaceutical ingredients and intermediates. And I see there are a lot of supply chain gaps where Indian companies can make a difference. These supply chain gaps are due to our excessive dependence on the imports of basic raw materials and intermediates and key starting materials. But and there are a lot of companies now in India are trying to bridge the gap and address these supply chain gaps by coming out with their import substitute products. But at the same time, the government policy and the environment has to be built in such a way that these efforts have to be encouraged. Number one, the R&D efforts have to be encouraged. The projects which actually which work with some kind of a breakthrough technologies have to be uh, given funding, assistance. Two, investments have to be channelized to build global level capacities and competencies, because unless we derive the economies of scale, it is very difficult to stop our dependence on imports. To make ourselves very competitive, it's not just the technology, it is also the scale is also very important. Once upon a time, we used to have such a scale with companies such as NoSeal, IOSeal, and etc. Were very active. But then over a period of time, we became so dependent because of the cheaper imports. So that's something actually the government and then industry has to look into, and the investments in building such bigger capacities should be made viable. Thirdly, there should be a level playing field when it comes to the tariff structure also. Like I see, especially in case of raw materials and intermediates, if we were to export something to China, the imports levied by the Chinese governments are much higher compared to the imports levied by India if we are to import the same commodities from China, which is not really fair. I'm not saying that we should have a higher import duties to protect our industry, but at the same time we should have a level playing field. Then it helps actually us to contain kind of unfair kind of a trade where even though we are successful in matching the cost structure, etc., and then in matching the prices, etc., of imports, if the tariffs are uneven, it just becomes unviable for the Indian companies to take up these initiatives and then become successful at a commercial level. I think these are the three things that we can think about how to influence the policymakers in working in this direction. Thank you very much.